Our today's tutorial is about circular transition effect. This will give the effect of images merging into each other. Our first step is opening a new Flash document. I had opened mine in preparation of this tutorial. Next is importing images into the library. You can do this by selecting File, Import, Import to Library. Make sure all your images are the same size. You can use as many images as you like. I choose 2 of my pictures. Click OK after the selection. On the timeline, rename your layer 1 to image 1. Drag one of your images from the library to the stage. Then, change the stage dimension to the size of your image by selecting Modify, then Document, or use the shortcut key Ctrl-J, and choose Content, which enables our stage to adapt the size of your image. Then click OK. On the timeline, right-click Frame 25 and select Insert Frame on the drop-down menu, or simply use the shortcut key F5 after clicking on Frame 25. Then right-click on each one layer and select each layer. Rename the new layer 1. Still on Mask 1 layer, select the oval tool and drag a small oval shape on the right-hand side above the image. Remember, the color of the oval does not matter, as this will become the mask layer. Also make sure the oval does not touch the image. On the timeline, right-click Frame 20 and select Insert Keyframe on the drop-down menu, or simply use the shortcut F6 after left-clicking on Frame 20. Select Free Transform tool on the toolbar, or simply use the shortcut key Q, and then drag your oval until it fills up the whole of your image. On the timeline, select anywhere in between the first and 20th and insert a shape twin by right-clicking it and select Shape Twin. Now, right-click on Mask 1 layer on the timeline and select Mask from the drop-down menu. On the timeline, insert a new layer called Image 2 and drag it up Mask 1 layer. Select the 25th frame and a keyframe, and then select 50th frame and insert a frame. Drag your second image from the library on the stage. Make sure your image is within the 25th to 50th frame. Insert a new layer called Mask 2 and make sure it's above the Image 2 layer. Then select the 25th frame and insert a keyframe. Now, copy and paste twin from the first 20th frame on the Mask 1 layer to Mask 2 layer on the 20th frame. Right-click on the Mask 2 layer on the timeline and select Mask from the drop-down menu. Our movie clip is done. Now, test it by pressing Ctrl-Enter. If you add more images, then repeat step 7.